A video on this, which looks like a sample, doesn't it? I need to take to the doctors desperately, quickly. This is actually reduced yogurt whey. So it's I've faffed around with this before, and I've made a cordial, and I've actually ended up making whey powder as well. And when you reduce it, so when you make yogurt, you strain it through a cheesecloth to strain out some of the whey, and then it becomes thicker, so you don't have to thicken it up with anything else. So and there's the whey left over, and I was kind of thinking what we're going to do with it. So I've done lots of things. I've kind of fermented it. At the moment, I'm seeing if I can turn it into vinegar, and then the other things I've kind of talked about. So yeah, and then the cordial, and then a liqueur as well. So it's quite acidic to taste. So I kind of thought to myself, can we actually turn it into a lemon posset type of thing? Will it set some cream? So in here we've got some cream, which looks like it's wanting to split. It should be fine. It'll be fine. So in here we've got some cream. There was 300 milliliters of cream. There is 75 grams worth of sugar, and then in here there is 60 milliliters of reduced whey. So I couldn't tell you how far it's reduced. Probably a litre and a half down to 300 mil, something like that. 200 mil, something like that. So we'll pour this in here, and we'll see if it. My word, that's going to work. My word, that's going to work. That's going to work, is that? So let's give it a taste, and then we'll pour it in a container. We'll let it go. Let's see it's worked. That's kind of quite interesting. Interesting already. So that into there like that. See, it's already thickened up. So we will. I'm not going to pour it into ramekins or anything like that. I'm just going to leave it in there, and then we'll decide what we're going to do with it later. How does it taste? Not as nice as a lemon posset, but a little bit like lemon cheese, which I had a go at faffing around with before. So we'll let that set, and then we'll give it a taste when it's cold, because cold things taste differently to warm things. So it's all very well tasting it while it's hot, but as it cools, it will intensify in flavour. So there we go. This is going to be interesting, this, isn't it? So that's worked. Look at that. That's worked. How's it taste? It's alright. It's not as nice as lemon. I wouldn't serve it. It's got a bit of a buttery scotchy flavour to it. It's okay. It's okay. But it's not something that I'd be happy serving to customers or eating myself, even though I've just had 3-4 spoonfuls. So it works. It's just not very nice. But anyway, not always going to get a winner, are you? But anyway, it works. And that's success, but it's not very nice. So that's a failure.